Hello, friends. Welcome to Crystal Crafts. With only two ingredients, you can clean your teeth, and if this remedy is used alternative day for a week or so, the teeth has a whitening effect as well. If you smile, the first thing which appears is your teeth. If it's dirty, it doesn't look nice. So clean your teeth with these two ingredients which are natural and has no side effects. So the first ingredient is toothpaste. Take any toothpaste, about half a teaspoon. Then the second ingredient to be added is lemon juice. Squeeze the lemon, which is rich in vitamin C and has a cleaning property, and add 5 drops of it and mix it with the toothpaste. Now with the toothbrush, apply the paste onto your teeth. Keep it for 5 minutes and then wash it with normal water. The dirt on the teeth will be removed and it looks clean. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.